My name is Tony Bellevue. I'm the project manager for Help NGO in Haiti. When the earthquake first hit, I was on leave from our ongoing connectivity project with the Internet Society, attending a funeral. We immediately responded with the equipment we have here proposition to do a rapid assessment of the need, arriving on the epicenter of the earthquake within 3 hours.
From Tony's assessment and the rapid estimates from USGS, we knew the situation here was going to be bad on the ground. We immediately alerted our government partners of the offer of assistance to support with assessment, mapping, and emergency connectivity. At the same time, we began mobilizing additional resources we have pre-positioned regionally and via our partners, deploying personnel and equipment from the United States and our European office.
We are here in Lacaille, Haiti, setting up this donated Starwind VSAT from our partner Intelsat, running on their FlexMove network.
The internet connectivity is supporting the interagency coordination for the United Nations.
What we're doing now that we have connectivity is using ATVs to get aerial imagery of disaster sites. This information is critical for the government to prioritize areas for immediate assistance.
I've learned more about drone when I'm working with Help NGO.
Once we have this imagery processed, we're immediately able to share with CNIGS.
1 week into the response, as the international community is arriving to help, we have internet connectivity and imagery of critical areas, allowing them to operate where there is the greatest need. The speed of the response wouldn't be possible without the support of our partners and our ongoing resilience activities. By focusing on preparedness and leveraging partnership with Intelsat, AWS, we are able to mobilize rapidly and quickly support those in need from crises.